Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join Adopt Me Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Discord application, or you can use your Discord browser on your browser. You can go to discord.com and make sure that in both platform you are logged in which one you are going to use. After that, you can find this plus icon here at the left side where you can find all of your service icon. So you have to simply click on it, and from here you can find a join a server button at the very bottom. Simply click on it, and from here you have to search for Adopt Me in one word. Then simply click on join server, and you can find the game server just like this, where they will customize your experience, where you can what do you want to do in this community. So you can answer this like anything, report anything from here. So click on next. Then what kind of events are you interested in, like server events or game updates? Simply click on next, and okay, I understand. Simply click on next, and here is their rules and regulations. Simply click on finish, and you are good to go to interact with your server. So here you can see all of these are now currently occurred here. Now here you can find get started option here, where you can complete this verify your account. You have to verify your account here, then introduce yourself to the community. You have to introduce yourself, then you can read the rules and regulation, and after completing these 3 steps from here, you are good to go to interact with the server, and you will be allowed to send messages. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.